When we think of billionaires, we often imagine tech moguls, hedge fund managers, or CEOs of massive corporations. But one thing many of these ultra-wealthy individuals have in common is their deep involvement in real estate. Real estate isn't just a way for the rich to live in luxury. It's a strategic asset that serves as a cornerstone for their wealth-building strategies. The real estate market offers lucrative returns, stability, and a host of opportunities that allow the richest individuals to further expand their empires. In this video, we will explore how billionaires use real estate not just as a place to live, but as a powerful tool to grow their wealth exponentially. Real estate as a long-term investment strategy. One of the key reasons billionaires flock to real estate is because it provides a stable, long-term investment. Unlike the stock market, which can be volatile and unpredictable, real estate typically appreciates over time, making it a relatively safe bet. Billionaires understand that owning property, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial, provides consistent returns through both capital appreciation and rental income. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men, has invested heavily in real estate, particularly in commercial properties. His firm, Berkshire Hathaway, owns vast amounts of commercial real estate across the United States. Over time, these assets increase in value, and the rental income generated offers a steady stream of revenue. By strategically purchasing high-quality properties, billionaires can secure wealth for generations, ensuring that their assets only grow in value. Leveraging debt to amplify returns. Billionaires don't just buy real estate, they leverage it. Using debt to finance large real estate deals allows them to maximize their returns. The concept of leverage in real estate is simple. By borrowing money to buy properties, they can control a much larger asset with relatively little of their own money tied up in the deal. This strategy significantly increases the potential return on investment (ROI). For instance, real estate tycoons like Donald Trump have famously used leverage to build massive real estate empires. By taking out loans against the properties they own, billionaires can acquire additional properties and expand their portfolios, compounding their wealth without needing to constantly inject more personal capital. When the real estate market appreciates, the value of the assets rises, and the billionaire's equity in these properties grows exponentially. Creating a diversified real estate portfolio. Another hallmark of how billionaires use real estate to build wealth is diversification. Billionaires know the importance of spreading risk, and real estate offers multiple avenues for diversification: residential, commercial, industrial, and even luxury properties. For example, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has made significant investments in commercial real estate, including office buildings in major cities like New York and Seattle. At the same time, he's also invested in high-end residential properties in places like Beverly Hills and Washington, D.C. By diversifying his real estate investments, Bezos ensures that his wealth isn't tied to a single asset class. This diversification helps to mitigate risk in case of a downturn in one particular market segment. Diversifying between different types of properties also helps billionaires tap into multiple streams of income, such as renting commercial spaces or owning residential developments. Real estate development and value addition. Many billionaires don't just purchase existing properties, they actively develop and improve them to create significant value. By acquiring underdeveloped or undervalued land, billionaires can build properties that are tailored to the needs of high-net-worth individuals or businesses. Real estate development involves identifying opportunities to add value through renovations, building new structures, or even redeveloping entire neighborhoods. A prime example is Elon Musk's involvement in real estate development through his ventures. Musk's companies, like Tesla and SpaceX, often purchase land to develop factories, research centers, and even residential areas for employees. These developments not only generate value in the form of buildings and infrastructure, but also create long-term wealth as these properties increase in value over time. Developing and improving properties allows billionaires to take a more hands-on approach in building wealth, while also contributing to economic development in the areas they invest in. The power of tax benefits. One of the most significant advantages billionaires have when it comes to real estate is the ability to take full advantage of tax benefits. The tax code is designed in a way that encourages property ownership and investment. For example, property owners can take advantage of tax deductions for mortgage interest, depreciation, and property maintenance costs. Additionally, when real estate appreciates, billionaires can sell properties and benefit from capital gains tax exemptions, especially if they've held the property for a long time. Real estate also allows them to pass down properties to heirs with minimized estate taxes, ensuring that their wealth continues to grow across generations. This strategic use of tax advantages helps billionaires preserve more of their wealth while reinvesting in even more lucrative real estate opportunities. Generating passive income through real estate investments. Billionaires are experts at generating passive income, and real estate is one of the best ways to do so. Many wealthy individuals build vast portfolios of rental properties, collecting rent on a regular basis. This rental income provides a steady stream of cash flow without requiring much day-to-day involvement. By owning multiple commercial and residential properties, billionaires can enjoy income from tenants in the form of rent payments. The idea is to build a property portfolio that generates enough rental income to cover expenses, with plenty of cash left over to reinvest into new properties or ventures. With rental properties, billionaires can continue to accumulate wealth year after year without having to rely on active work or effort. For example, Richard Branson, known for his Virgin brand, has invested in properties that generate significant rental income while also providing him with the opportunity to build a luxury lifestyle. International real estate investments for global wealth expansion. Billionaires often look beyond their home countries to build their real estate portfolios, seeking international properties that will help them expand their global wealth. Investing in foreign real estate markets offers the potential for high returns, while also providing access to more stable economies and diversified markets. For example, Bill Gates has diversified his wealth by owning properties not just in the US, but in other parts of the world, including an entire farm in North Dakota. Likewise, Mark Zuckerberg owns a property in Hawaii that spans over 700 acres, giving him access to both land and international opportunities. By acquiring real estate across various countries, billionaires are able to protect their wealth from economic fluctuations in any single nation and take advantage of emerging markets. Real estate investments in growing economies allow them to tap into new opportunities for growth and further expansion of their wealth. Real estate as a legacy investment. Finally, real estate allows billionaires to create a lasting legacy. Many of them pass down their real estate holdings to their heirs, ensuring that their wealth continues to grow across generations. Owning historic properties or iconic buildings can provide not only financial benefits, but also a sense of permanence and legacy. For example, the Walton family, owners of Walmart, has invested heavily in both commercial and residential real estate, including properties that have been in the family for generations. These properties not only serve as income-producing assets, but also as symbols of the family's long-term vision. Billionaires use real estate as a way to ensure their wealth endures, and their properties often become landmarks in their own right, leaving a footprint on the global landscape that lasts far beyond their lifetimes. Real estate is more than just a way for billionaires to live in luxury. It's an essential tool for growing their wealth. Whether through long-term investments, leveraging debt, or strategic development, the ultra-wealthy understand how real estate can act as a powerful wealth-building engine. From passive income to tax advantages and international diversification, real estate is the key to creating a lasting legacy of immense wealth. If you found this insight into how billionaires use real estate valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to MoneyWiseWanderer for more exclusive content on how the world's richest individuals create and maintain their fortunes.